Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I am going to be doing a review on the Kiss Falscara collection. We're going to do a full install start to finish. Here are the video chapters, and without further ado, let's hop right in. So you may be familiar with this product. This is the Bond and Seal. They now have this new prep and primer, which I'm curious to see what this is about. I'm only familiar with the Bond and Seal process to doing DIY lashes. We're going to go through if it's even a necessity for you to even spend on. This is dirty. I accidentally spilled professional lash glue on it, and professional lash glue don't come off nothing. So these are this is the Falscara Faux Mink. This is supposed to be a 3D lash extension effect. Have the sizes labeled on the side, small, medium, and large, which I think if you're a beginner in this process of DIYing, you want to do small, medium, large. Maybe the number processes confuse you, so it's good that they have it labeled small, medium, large. The next product that I'm also going to be trying out is the Falscara Clear Band. So this is what your individual cluster lash is going to look like with a band attached. This is what the invisible band looks like for the Kiss Falscara lash. So basically the prep and prime is supposed to be the beginner step to doing your Bond and Seal lashes. It seems as though prioritizing natural lash care is becoming a thing now, which is great. I am big on natural lash health and lash care. So this is the instructions. You're supposed to gently prep your natural lashes with a light coat of prep and primer on natural lashes to remove any dirt or oil. Then it also leads to say, let natural lashes dry for a few seconds and then apply Bond and Seal. This is infused with micellar water. Prep and prime is non-damaging to your natural lashes and primes them before the application of wispies. Prep and prime cleanses your natural lashes to increase the retention of wispies for long-lasting results. So we're going to start off with the Falscara Prep and Prime, and so you may see some makeup residue possibly. I'm just gonna apply this. So what this feels like, nothing at all. I'm trying to see if it's gonna get like a sticky coating or anything like that. I don't feel any stinging, so you can comb your natural lashes. I'm gonna tap and touch. Okay, so I don't feel a coating sticking or anything like that. And I'm guessing maybe the residue from my makeup is coming up off of this because it's supposed to clean. So it's lifting up the product that's in my actual natural lash hairs, which had I not used this before in the past, where I would just start the Bond and Seal application process, this would not have been something. This probably could be affecting how cluster individual lashes were lasting. I don't even want to dip it back, but if you guys want to close up, this is all of that gunk and makeup that was on my actual natural lashes. So it got a lot of that product off. I'm going to take my Bond and Seal. I'm going to start with my Bond side to comb this through my actual natural lashes, and I'm going to see, okay, so yes, the product is definitely there because I was a little nervous. So there's so much positives and negatives to this Bond and Seal applicator. Some views say that it's really sticky. I actually reviewed this product. It can get really messy and clumpy, so keep that in mind. If you are slow at applying your lashes, you may want to be careful. Use this if you are one of the fast ones. These on. I hope my natural lashes are still tacky. Okay, good. So it went on. That's that tackiness kicking in. Okay, it here. And I'm going to apply it here. The inside corners always get me. So this is how they look on me. This sealant right here, this is the waterproof sealant. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to share that with you guys. So the benefits of wearing sealant: you want to use sealant to take away that sticky, tacky feeling. So when you're applying your sealant, you always want to go on top of the hairs because you didn't put anything underneath here. So you want to go on top. One more layer of my sealant. I also like this sealant because it keeps them on even longer. If you are wearing the clear band, you will see the clear band. Okay? It's right there. So, just so you know, if you're going to be wearing that, you're going to see it. Here's what I found with this product. Putting 2 coats just doesn't work. So, avoid putting 2 coats. We're going to start with the ones with the band on it. I'm going to go long in the center, and then medium, and then drop short. So first one here, right above my iris. This is really thick. Okay. I feel like I look crazy. Okay, so this is what I look like over here. This is what the lashes look like. Y'all know the final step. I'm not gonna steal these because I don't want them stuck on my eyes. No, I look crazy. So this is my take on the products. I am leaning, I like this side. I think this is really cute. It's very suiting to me. I do know that there may be some of you guys who may want something dense, full, and thick like this. This isn't for me. But if you like the dense, full look, this would be perfect for you. I don't even know if this would be like, would this be pointless? Now, if you don't, I don't know, you know, because I already do lash cleansers, and the ingredients and products inside of many lash cleansers are similar to these. That's going to be up for you to decide. Do you absolutely need this? No. Should you use it? It comes with good benefit. You already been wearing your individual cluster lashes and you have not incorporated this into your routine, and you have not seen any damage with your natural lashes or with your own personal regimen. Is this necessary? No. It's just something to clean at the beginning process, and I'm only saying yes to getting it because I'm into keeping the whole eye area clean and all of the health of the natural lash area. However, if I didn't really care so much about that or understand the importance of it, I would not tell you to buy this. Period. If you want to get this, you can get this. Let me know in the comments if this video was helpful in your decision making of these new products that were recently added to the Kiss Falscara collection. And I will see you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.